Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into the latest financial report from the Cigna Group. And trust me, it's more than just numbers. It's about whether your healthcare company is making bank or barely making ends meet. We're going to see if they're healthy or need a financial doctor. Today we are decoding a Form 8K filing from the Cigna Group. This document is like a snapshot of important events happening at the company filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Think of it as an official update letting investors know what's new and noteworthy. This particular filing gives us a peek at their earnings for the first 3 months of 2025, ending in March. The main point of this 8K is to share how the Cigna Group performed financially. They're giving everyone a look at their income statement, which shows how much money they made and spent during that period. This helps investors see if the company is growing, shrinking, or staying about the same. The information about Cigna's earnings is included as an exhibit, meaning an attachment to the filing in a press release. This is how companies typically announce their results to the public. It's all about keeping investors informed and up to date. Now let's dig into the numbers, which come straight from that press release, and try to translate them into plain English. Unfortunately, this document is only a report and summary. It does not actually contain any real financial figures, so we cannot make too many conclusions. That being said, we can still talk about the general implications of this report. Remember that this Form 8K is just a snapshot. It gives us a glimpse into the Cigna Group's performance, but it's not the whole picture. It's important to look at these reports over time to see how the company is really doing. So what's the big takeaway here? The Cigna Group is keeping investors informed about its financial performance. By filing this Form 8K, they're following the rules and keeping everyone in the loop. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. From this report, the Cigna Group seems to be following the rules and being transparent with its investors. They are doing what they are supposed to do. However, without the actual financial numbers, it's tough to say for sure whether the company is thriving or just surviving. One of the biggest challenges for any company is staying ahead of the competition. In the healthcare industry, this means constantly innovating and finding new ways to improve patient care while also managing costs. It's a tough balancing act. Another risk is that the healthcare industry is always changing. New regulations, new technologies, and new trends can all have a big impact on companies like the Cigna Group. They need to be able to adapt quickly to stay relevant. Overall, the Cigna Group seems to be in a decent position. They're a big player in a growing industry. However, they also face some significant challenges. Whether they can successfully navigate these challenges will determine their long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found this decodering useful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Until next time.